Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna try to offer a bit of a cleanup to this laptop. This is an old ThinkPad X230. It had quite a lot of stickers on it, as you can see around here. So I'm gonna try to give it a bit of a clean with a sort of buff. So this sort of thing, this is called the magic sponge. It's something that you're going to be able to find in most of your Asian stores, so let's see how that will do. Now, normally you get a block of it, so I'm just going to cut a slice, and then I'm going to use some technical alcohol to rub off the mark of this one. Generally for this type of thing they recommend you to use some water, as you can see in the instructions over here, and then just rub off until it's clean. But I'm gonna do it with alcohol just because it helps to get the glue of the stickers off easier. Okay, that was pretty easy to cut. Now let's get that alcohol and see what we can do. Okay. Okay, now we have alcohol on it, so I'm gonna start the process. So this is after just half a minute of rubbing. I'm gonna try to show you a bit better of an image. Probably it's gonna be a picture just to make sure I get the best focus. But let's give it another rub and see how it goes. Yep, it looks almost like new now, except this side where it had a sticker before it got to me. I think this was a corporate laptop before I've purchased it online. But it absolutely looks just like new in this moment. I'm gonna try to put some more light on here, see if I can show you. Right, so now we have much more light on, and hopefully it will help to show you better how it looks like. You can still see around here with the naked eye the traces of the stickers, and I'm probably gonna try to give it another rub. Yeah, so in my books this looks absolutely perfect for the age that it has, and all the sticker marks have been removed to the best of the extent, as the stickers have been there for quite some time. Now, as you can see, as a result of it, the magic sponge got a bit damaged around here and a bit colored, so very likely it took a layer off the paint, but that's not a problem because it sorted the issue that I wanted to sort out. Thank you very much for taking the time to look at this clip, and hope it helped you.